Today, we're diving into the world of Korean-style tortilla pizza. Let's start with giving the onions and bell peppers a little makeover to make them snack-friendly. For the bacon, it's time to slice it up into perfect little nibble-sized pieces. When the butter in the frying pan starts whispering, melting, that's your cue. Toss in the prepped ingredients, let the sizzle begin. Keep stirring until they're golden and irresistible. Lay down the tortilla and spread the tomato sauce with an artist's touch. Then, it's cheese time, sprinkle it generously. Cover it up and wait for the cheese to get all melty. Top it off with olives and your sautéed goodies. I'll give it the torch treatment for that perfect crispy edge. Ready for the grand finale? A sprinkle of parsley to jazz it up. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for, let's dig in. So, what do you think? A slice of tortilla pizza paired with a refreshing beer, sounds tempting, right?